All right, you guys. This is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam, and this is our song by ear. We're playing "Bring Back My Bonnie to Me," and we're just playing the chorus, and it's a 1-4-5, and we'll be playing it in all 5 ukulele-friendly keys. Today, we're playing it in the key of C and the key of D. In C, the 1-4-5, the 1 is C, the 4 is F, the 5 is G7. Let me let Tom in. There we go. And the chord that gets us from the key of C to the key of D is the 5 chord in the key of D. Here's our key of D, D, G, and the 5 chord is the A7, and that's what's going to take us from one neighborhood to the other. So let's get back to our C. And this is a wonderful little waltz. This is the beat, going at 130 beats per minute. You know, I didn't identify the starting note for you. I would love for you guys to try to find that. Bring back. Bring, bring, bring. So it's in the C scale. We'll talk about that in a few minutes in our class. But let's just go da 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 da. Let's start with our strings. Ba 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 ba. I'm going to start with my G string on my ukulele. Da 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 da. Do you feel that aligning? Da 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 da. That is our starting note. So you may want to write that down. That our starting note is the G, which, because the G is the 5 chord in the 1-4-5, that tells us that it's the 5th note in the scale. Da 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 da. Yay! I know, I don't think you're as excited about it as I am, but I think it's pretty cool. All right, here we go. A 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Here's our A7. Da-da.